He picks up the letter T. Good bird. Second one. He picks up the letter I. For the third one. He picks up the letter G. Next letter. He picks up the letter E. Last one, ready? Now he picks. Now tiger spells T-I-G-E-R. Is it correct? Intelligence, curiosity, social nature, and how quickly they can learn. In fact, macaws are often compared to a 4-year-old children because of how they think and act. So now Mr. Irvin arranging the jumbled numbers. Let's proceed here again to Mr. Charles to ask more questions about Jumbo. Now Mr. Charles, what are Jumbo's favorite food?
Varieties of fruit, seeds, and vegetables.
So Jumbo's favorite foods are a variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Next question, Mr. Charles, what are Jumbo's favorite subject?
English and
English and math. Last question, Mr. Charles. Where did Jumbo love to go to school?
University of Cebu, South.
University of Cebu Safari. Now let's see how good he is at math. Jumbo, what is 5 plus 7? Good luck, buddy. Now for the first number. Now he picks up a number 1. How about the second one? He picks up the number 2. Now 5 plus 7 is equals to 12. Is it correct? Surround of us who are genuine money, Jumbo. Now at this moment, I need an adult volunteer. So adult volunteer is not afraid of the birds. Just raise your hands if you want to volunteer. So we have here volunteer staff, Kuya KJ. He'll be the one who'll pick out the volunteer. Okay, so I think we already have our adult volunteer. Okay, sir, kindly listen to Kuya KJ's instructions. Again, reminders for everyone, please sit down and do not try to reach out or touch our birds. Now, sir, are you ready? Now we're all set and ready? Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our group of Sancuñors. So Sancuñors are also known as San Parakeets. They are very playful, social, and have a very loud voice. Now they are natives to the northeastern parts of South America, like Brazil and Venezuela. Thank you so much, sir. Okay, so we have one papala. So Sancuñors, you have a golden plumage from a stand here at the center aisle. Just raise your hands if you want to volunteer. Okay, how about on this side? Okay, so already have our... Again, for everyone's safety, please sit down, supervise your kids, and enjoy the act. Now, ladies and gentlemen, feel the love in the air as we have here our coupled Sancuñors name, Ding and Dong. Now, Sancuñors, they are monogamous type of bird, meaning they can only have one partner for a lifetime. Sana all. But when the partner dies, that's the only time that they will find another mating partner. Thank you so much, ma'am. You can take your seat. Okay, so hi ma'am, good afternoon. Welcome to the show. May I ask, what is your name?
Sachi po.
So hi Ma'am Sachi, how are you today?
Okay naman po. Sobrang happy sa sinasama.
That's good to know, ma'am. Now Ma'am Sachi, are you enjoying the show so far?
Yes po, super.
That's good. Now Ma'am Sachi, I want you to show your money to the crowd. Okay, now Ma'am Sachi here is a 50 peso bill. Now I want you to fold your money into half 3 times at the same direction. Okay, that's one, ma'am. Fold it again. 2, last one. Alright, that's good. Okay, after that, ma'am, extend your right arm like this and hold the tip of the money. Okay, now Ma'am Sachi, are you ready?
Ready po.
Last question, ma'am. Do you have an extra money?
Yes.
Okay, that's good to know. Don't make extra movement. Try to relax and enjoy the act. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our cute and fluffy eclectic pirate named Star. Now, Star here is a female eclectic pirate. Now, let's see what she will do. Okay, take your time, buddy. Now, Star flies all the way to Mamsachi, landed her arm, and she picks the 50 peso bill. Now, bye-bye, Star, and bye-bye, 50 pesos. 100 pesos.
Mahal, 500 daw.
Na mahal, 500 daw. Okay, now everyone, as you all know, Star here is a very good bird. She loves seeds more than money. Now, Star, can you return the money? Now, Star flies all the way to Mamsachi, landed her arm, and
She returned the money.
she did not return the money. Isan, will you return the money? Okay lang, ma'am? Don't make extra movement, ma'am. Try to relax lang. Okay, buddy? Now, Star flies back all the way to Mamsachi, landed her arm, and still busy thinking.
He wants to keep it.
Okay, take your time, buddy.
Ah!
And again, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our playful center named Sunny. Now, Sunny flies back all the way to Mamsachi and
Return
he
the money.
puts down 50 peso bill. So round of us are playful gentlemen. I want you to meet our playful eclectic pirate named Rio. Now, Rio here is a male eclectic pirate. Now, let's see what he will do. Now, Rio, he flew to the first hoop and he made it to the second hoop. Now, their favorite food in the wild, they mainly eat fruits, vegetables. Right now, he flew to the first hoop and he made it all the way to the second hoop. Now, their lifespan in the wild, right now, he flew to the first hoop and he made it to the second hoop. Like this pirate, they are morphic birds, meaning you can. I want you to meet Rudy and Lani. Now, can you say hi? Now, yellow-crowned Amazon parrots are one of the most commonly kept Amazon species due to its excellent talking ability and playful nature.
That's right. These types of birds are great at mimicking everyday sounds like a rooster, a cat, a dog, a telephone ring, or even a whistle.
Alright, now let's try a rooster first.
How about cat?
Now for the third one, it is Rudy's favorite. Now Rudy. Now for the next one is a telephone ringing. Now for the last one is a whistle. Good job, buddies. Now Lani and Rudy here loves to sing. Is it true, Miss Donna?
Yes, but before they sing, they need to do what all singers do. They have to warm up first.
Okay, now let's do the warm up. Now for their first song. Whoa, whoa, yeah. I love you more than I can. Whoa, whoa, yeah. I love you more than I can. Now, before I proceed to our next song, let me ask first, who's celebrating their birthdays today? Or within this month? Raise your hand. Okay, now happy birthday. Now buddies, we have some celebrants here. What will do next? Again, buddies. Now see how talented parrots are? They can mimic sounds so well because their brains are super smart. Just like how humans use their voices. So a round of applause to our mimicking birds here named Lani and Rudy. And also to your name, Mr. Horn. Now Tugidugan, they're one of the largest and the best known toucan species in the world. Now as you can see, they have a white throat and a black body that helps them count their birds. Instead, they hop between branches and flap their wings vigorously to reach their destination. Now there are a total of 40 toucan species in the world, and one thing they have in common is their large and beautiful bill. Now Mr. James here has a handful of fruits. He will toss it to Mr. Horn. Now let's see how good he is at catching his food. First try, Mr. James. And he missed it. How about the second one? Good catch, Mr. Horn. Last one, buddy. Nice catch, Mr. Horn. Now, Tugitugans, they have a large and beautiful bill that looks heavy, but in reality, it is extremely light. It is because it is made up of protein and keratin, just like our hairs and nails. Now, fun fact about this bird, they can control their body temperature just by adjusting their blood flow to their beak. So when they feel hot, their beak will serve as a thermoregulator, or it regulates their body temperature. So a round of applause to our most handsome Tugitugan name, Mr. Horn. Birds, it is time to meet some fierce raptors, our birds of prey. Now, birds of prey are big birds with pointed beaks, sharp talons, and have wide wings. Examples are hawks, because our next set of birds are going to showcase their extraordinary hunting skills, and fly styles. Lastly, they will fly closer to you. Again, please sit down, supervise your kids, and do not try to reach out or touch our birds. For our first birds of prey, it is a diurnal type of bird, meaning most of their hunting time is during the daytime. But before calling it a real prey, because this bird is going to ship him, hawk eagle name, Hunter. Nice catch, Hunter. Now, Philippine hawk eagle typically hunts from a perch, patiently waiting at the right moment to swoop down its prey. Now, as you can see here, Mr. James is wearing a thick gloves that protects himself from the sharp talons and claws of this bird. Now, this bird, it can grow up to 65 to 70 centimeters in length with a wingspan of 105 to 125 centimeters. Now, Philippine hawk eagle may not be as famous as the Philippine eagle, but they share the same majestic and powerful aura, earning the nickname of Little Philippine Eagle. Sir, Bella. Now, Eastern grass owl, they are a nocturnal type of bird, meaning most of their hunting time is during the nighttime. Now, these types of birds of prey can be found here in Asia, Pacific region, and Australia. Now, just like any other owls, they have a flexible neck. They can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees. It is possible because this bird has a 14-neck vertebrae, allowing them to spot a prey and be aware of its surroundings without moving its whole body. So a round of applause to our Eastern grass owl name, Bella. Now, for our next birds of prey, they're gentlemen. Put your hands together to our snatching prey in flight, our Brahmini kite named Shadow. But wait, there's more. Here comes the brother of Shadow, Argus. Now for our third Brahminic eye, please let me welcome Cloud. Now Brahminic eye, they have a white plumage from its head down to its underparts, and the rest of its color are striking chestnut brown. Now these types of birds of prey can be found in Australia, Sri Lanka, Nepal, and Pakistan. Now as you can see, Brahminic eyes are excellent at gliding, soaring, and circling up in the sky. Their lifespan in the wild, they can live up to 20 to 30 years. Now they're formally known as red-backed sea eagle in Australia, but they're locally known here in the Philippines as Banug in Bisaya and Lawi in... Again, reminders for everyone, please sit down and do not try to reach out or touch these birds. Now we're all set and ready. Now ladies and gentlemen, for our last Brahminic eye, here comes Sky. Now Brahminic eye, they practice kleptoparasitism, or they love to snatch their food from other birds. That's why they are called as a snatching prey in flight. Again, they love to snatch their food from other birds. That's why they are called as a snatching prey in flight. Again, as you can see, Brahminic eyes are excellent at gliding, soaring, and circling up in the sky. These types of birds of prey can be found in Australia, Sri Lanka, Nepal, and Pakistan. Thank you so much, Mr. Charles. Fun fact about Brahminic eye, they are the real-world reflection of Garuda, a guardian figure that symbolizes power, protection, and divine guidance in various cultures. And they love to steal their food from other birds. That's why they are called as a snatching in Cebu Safari. Now again, I need everyone's cooperation, so please sit down and do not try to reach out or touch this bird. It is for your own safety because this bird will fly closer to you. Again, reminders for everyone, please sit down and do not try to reach out or touch this bird. Okay, now we're all set and ready. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for our grand finale, keep your heads up high to our white-bellied sea eagle named Silver. The white-bellied sea eagle, also known as the white-breasted sea eagle, or king of the sea. It has a white plumage from its head down to its underparts, and its wings and back are dark gray in color. But wait, there's more! Here comes the partner of Silver, Marina! Now, white-bellied sea eagle can grow up to 75 to 85 centimeters in length, with a wingspan of 180 to 220 centimeters. Now, these largest birds of prey can be found in Australia, Southeast Asia, India, and Sri Lanka. Now, the scientific name for this bird is Heliaetus leucocastor. Their lifespan in the wild, they can live up to 25 to 30 years. Now, their favorite food in the wild, they mainly eat fish, sea snakes, mole turtles, and mammals. Surrounded us are white-bellied seagull, silver, and marina. Now here at Cebu Safari, we're not just creating about fun and unforgettable experiences. Our top priority is wildlife conservation. We work hard to protect endangered species, provide them with safer habitats, and educate guests about the importance of preserving nature. Together, we can make a difference for wildlife and for a better future generation. Now let me introduce to you the people behind this successful show. My partner here on stage, Mr. Charles. We also have your undergrad trainer, Mr. James. And to make this even more memorable, we present to you the symbol of love, peace, prosperity, and harmony. Now once again, my name is Nassin. We hope you enjoy the show. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the world. Now, for those who want to take pictures of our photographers, kindly form a line here at the center. We are here official photographers W2. Again, this is your opportunity to take pictures of our photographers. It is a free shot. Welcome into White Lion Safari, travel area birds of the world and African savanna. Just go up and turn to your left side, proceed to orangutan area. That's a strong stop for our key attractions inside. But don't forget we have white Bengal tiger feeding 2:30 p.m. Just go up and turn to your right side. So minute 12 going down. Once again.
Why don't they just fly away? Oh, they just go up and go back. Because they used to have someone to feed them. Yeah. They're not in their nature now.